Hi guys, today we're going to go over chapter 3 test review packet, number 14. Let's go over the problem. David and Denise share n pairs in the ratio of 4 to 9. Looking at just this piece of information, we know they share the amount of pairs in the variable n. So here's one piece of important information that we need. Then the ratio of David to Denise is 4 to 9. Part A tells us how many pairs does Denise have in terms of n. So they're looking for how many pairs Denise has. Now going back to this part of the question, it tells us that the ratio of David to Denise in terms of pairs is 4 to 9. So one part of the bar model will represent David, the other part will represent Denise. So here we have David, and on this side we have Denise. Now, in order to find out how many pairs Denise has in terms of n, what you have to do is find the total number. So this is our whole. So what we have to do simply is 4 plus 9, which equals 13. Now we know that Denise has 9 out of 13 in terms of this ratio. To find how many pairs she has, because the whole bar model, we have to remember that it represents n. So this is the total amount of pairs. So in this case, we will write 9 over 13, which represents Denise, times n to represent the number of pairs she has in terms of n. For part B, it says if n equaled 39, how many pairs does Denise have? How many pairs does David have? So for this one, we're going to use the number 39 for n. And we're looking for how many pairs Denise has. Over here, we found how many pairs Denise has, but in terms of n. Now we actually have the value for n, so we're going to plug it in. So we would do 9 over 13 times n, which now we know is 39. So times 39. When you're multiplying, make sure you add the 1. You may now cross cancel if you feel comfortable with it, or reduce later. So cross cancel 13 and 39. The greatest common factor is 13. 13 divided by 13 is 1. And 39 divided by 13 is 3. So now our new problem will read 9 over 1 times 3 over 1, which is 27. This gives us the number of pairs Denise actually has. So 27 pairs for Denise. Now, we have to start thinking about how many pairs David has. So looking at this piece of information right here, we say, okay, if Denise has 27 and the total number of pairs was 39, that means all we have to do is find the difference to see what's left over for David. So we could say, okay, 39, which is our whole, minus 27, which went to Denise, equals what? And that is 12. So 12 pairs for David.